If you're thinking about building a custom home, you probably have two big questions: cost and design. Well, that's why you have a design and pricing meeting. For the last 30 years, we've developed a revolutionary software called Front Door, which enables you to walk through the entire custom home building process and know exactly what every item, every component in your custom home will cost. So in a period of an hour or less, we're gonna get you an itemized breakdown of your custom home. This does not take weeks, this does not take months, and you will know with specificity every single detail in your home. And that creates great peace of mind. And it also speeds up the decision process for you. So I hear from customers all the time, like, that was the most productive 1 hour meeting in my whole home building search, because I have all this stuff going on in my head and you guys took me through the process, you answered all my questions, and then we talk about your plan, and we want to make sure your plan is exactly how you want it. And that's the beauty of building custom. We're not going to stop the process until you get the exact plan that you want, that works for you, and then you know where every dollar is spent in your quote, so then you can make decisions moving forward. This is how Schumacher is different from other builders. You're gonna walk out with an exact price, an itemized breakdown, no questions unanswered. Other builders, you're gonna get a bunch of allowances and you're gonna have no idea if those allowances are adequate to build the house or not. So with us, you know exactly what it's gonna cost, great peace of mind. With other builders, you're gonna be left wondering throughout construction. I think the best thing about this meeting is the atmosphere. There's no pressure, there's no obligation, it's free, and it's very informative. So not only are we talking about pricing, but we're talking about process, we're talking about financing, we're talking about design. We're gonna cover everything that is really important in custom home building. I think you're gonna walk out feeling way more informed and way more knowledgeable. Once we've worked together to get the perfect design just for you, Schumacher Homes, as America's largest custom home builder, will deliver that exact home for you. So schedule your design and pricing meeting today.